Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here showing my March setup. So, as you all know, I filmed all of these last year, and I am just taking a big old social media break, but of course I am putting out these monthly plan with me's. The theme this month was brown, and one of my goals this year is to get rid of a lot of washi tape, so that is why all of my designs for each of the months revolve around washi tape and using washi tape in each of these color schemes. I did spin a wheel to randomize what color I got for what month. However, that was on my old computer and I am still having issues accessing that old computer. So this is what I've got. I did spin and it did turn into brown. So I'm very, very excited for March to get started. I'm really excited about February still. We're only halfway through February, a little more than halfway through February, but February is going to be a special month for me. Because it's a special month for me and because there's some stuff going on in my bullet journal that I don't want people to know yet, I'm not going to go ahead and show how I'm using my bullet journal in February. I will try to show that maybe at the end of March. Once things are kind of done with the things that I'm planning in my bullet journal. I know that sounds all so cryptic and everything, but there's a reason, and you'll understand once you know the reason. So here is my calendar for March. I am keeping pretty much everything the same from month to month. It's one of the things that I was really striving for was some sort of consistency. And I know I've been on here talking about bullet journaling and how it's so nice to have variation and adjust things when needed. But to be honest, I am adjusting things as I need to adjust them, usually on my daily pages, because I have all these monthly pages and then I don't have a weekly. I just have daily pages. And honestly, that's where I've been doing a lot of my adjustments if I do need any of those adjustments. But these monthly pages are going to stay the same. So that was my calendar. Those are 7x7 boxes, which fit really, really well in a B5 notebook. I'm also going back to the exercise log that I did in January. I actually really, really liked how the February one is set up, but these are also 7x7 boxes. They just don't have a space in between them. And so I have the workouts that I'm doing to the left. So that is 1 through 31. And I'll put, a bicep workout or something to that effect so that I know what aspects that I worked out. If I did cardio, if I biked, if I did chest day, leg day, things like that. So that is going to be listed all out on the left. And then I'm going to put some of the statistics in on the within the boxes. If you want to take a look at how that was working, you can go back into my February plan with me and you can, this is the setup that I did in January, and I did do a flip through for January, so you can kind of see how that goes and how that was working for me about halfway through January. Moving on, we have my task list. So on the left-hand side is my master task list and my monthly favorites. Again, this is pretty much the same as it is the same as every month I'm going to be doing. So I have a space for home on the upper right-hand side. I have a space, my space for work is on the upper right-hand side. My space for home is on the upper left-hand side. And then at the bottom is for my monthly favorites. And that's just a place where I can doodle in or add stickers for things that happen this month. Now, I do still have some business tasks every single month. You know, I'm taking kind of a break from business-related things, but I do keep this projects area broad so that I can include things that I need to do for my business. Usually it is designing the next digital subscription and all of that kind of stuff. So next up, we have my habit tracker on the left-hand side and my reading tracker on the right-hand side. So for me, I haven't been doing a great job with my reading tracker as of yet. And you can see this is my washi tape graveyard. I know that Joshi Corinne heard that term from someone else. I don't know who she heard it from, but I heard it from her. So the washi tape graveyard is where I'm going to do a little note to myself after the month is over to say how the month went down. So for me, I haven't been doing a lot of reading, and I'm a little bummed by it, but to be honest with you, I've been playing a lot of Animal Crossing in my spare time. So that's time I probably ordinarily would have spent reading. And in addition, my partner and I are doing a Marvel movie marathon. So that is also taking up a lot of like my spare time, and I'm not going to read while I'm watching Marvel movies. We're almost done though. We just finished Thor, Love and Thunder. So I think we only have a few more that are currently out at this point in time. So I'm really excited about this. He's seeing most of the movies for the first time, so it was really exciting for me to be able to see him witness some of these movies for the first time because I'm a big Marvel fan. So I have my habit tracker to the left, my reading tracker to the right. Again, if I don't use my full reading tracker, that is what it is. I have it set up in case I do. So that is my entire setup. So I have my monthly calendar, my exercise log, my task, my master tasks, my projects, habits, and then my reading. So again, very, very excited about moving into March, but I'm very excited about finishing up February 1st. So if you are doing a March setup, let me know what your theme is for March. I can't wait to hear. And if you want to put some sort of brown emoji in the comments, I would love that. So thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.